कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. With my body, my speech, my mind or my sense organs, through my intellect, my sense of self or my natural tendencies, whatever actions I perform, all of it is towards the Supreme Being. By saying Narayanaya, I submit my offering. Om Namo Narayanaya. Salvo Bhaishmi Vivahe Yadubalavijitas Chandrachudadvimanam Vindan Saubhan Samayi Tvayi Vasati Kurunstvatpurimabhyabhankshit Pradyumnastannirundhan Nikhila Yadubhatairnyagrahidugraviryam Tasyamatyandyumantam Vyajanicha Samara Saptavinshatyahantam. Salva, who was defeated by the Yadava armies in Rukmini's marriage, an aerial Vimana from Lord Shiva by the name of Saubha, procuring it, that illusory one, as you were in the land of Kurus, attacked your city. Pradyumna, along with all the Yadava soldiers, obstructed him, and the mighty minister of his named Dyumanta was slain by them in a battle that lasted for 27 days. Tavatvam Ramashali Tvaritamupagata Khandita Praya Sainyam Saubheshantanyarundha Sacha Kila Gadaya Shargamabhranshayate Maya Tatam Yahinsidapi Tava Puratas-tatvayapi Kshanardham Najñayityahureke Tadidamavamatam Vyasa evanyashedhit. Within that time, you, quickly returning with Balarama and almost razing their army to the ground, went to fight with Salva. Didn't he then strike down your Sharanga with his own mace? He then also tricked you into believing that he killed your father in front of you, and for half a second you too did not realize his trickery, some say, but Vyasa himself denied this. Kshiptva saubhangadachurnita mudakanidhau Mankshu salvepi chakrenotkrite dantavaktra Prasabhamabhipatannabhyamunchadgadante Kaumodakyahato savapi sukritanidhischaidyavat prapadaikyam Sarveshamesha purvam Tvayi dhrutamanasam Mokshanartho vataraha. Crushing Salva with your mace, throwing him off into the ocean, as your chakra then beheaded him, as Dantavaktra attacked you with his mace, vanquishing him too with your mace, the Kaumodaki, then he too, like Shishupala, filled with virtues, attained to unity with you. This incarnation of yours was indeed to grant moksha to all those who had their minds fixed upon you. Tvaya yate thajate kila kuru sadasi dyutake sanyataya krandantya yajñasinya sakarunamakruthaschela malamanantam अन्नान्तप्राप्तशर्वांशजमुनिचकितद्रौपदी चिन्तितोऽथ प्राप्तशाकान्नमश्नन् मुनिगणमकृतास्तृप्तिमन्तं वनान्ते. After you left, didn't a game of dice happen in the assembly of the Kurus? As Draupadi cried for help, out of your compassion you provided an endless stream of drapes. Again, as Draupadi was shocked to see Durvasa arrive as a guest after they finished eating and thought of you, arriving there, eating the leftovers, you satiated the hunger of those groups of sages in the forest. युद्धोद्योगेऽथ मन्त्रे मिलति सति वृतः फल्गुनेन त्वमेकः कौरव्ये दत्तसैन्य करिपुरमगमो दौत्यकृत्पाण्डवार्थम् भीष्मद्रोणादिमान्ये तव खलु वचने धिक्कृते कौरवेण व्यावृण्वन् विश्वरूपं मुनिसदसि पुरीं क्षोभयित्वा गतो भूः. In the meeting over the preparations of war, you alone were chosen by Arjuna. Giving your armies to the Kauravas, you went to Hastinapura as the messenger of Pandavas. Your words were respected by Bhishma, Drona and others, but weren't they then rejected by the Kauravas? You, taking on your cosmic form in that assembly of sages, shaking up the entire city, you went back. जिष्णोस्त्वं कृष्णसूतः खलु समरमुखे बन्धुघाते दयालुं खिन्नन्तं वीक्ष्य वीरं किमिदमयि सखे नित्य एकोऽयमात्मा को वध्यः कोऽत्र हन्ता तदिह वधभियं प्रोज्य मय्यर्पितात्मा धर्म्यं युद्धं चरेति प्रकृतिमनयथा दर्शयन् विश्वरूपम्. O Krishna, didn't you then become the charioteer for Arjuna in that battle? And when he was overcome with the prospect of killing his relatives, looking at that valiant one dejected, O dear one, what is this? This soul is eternal and one with everything. Who is being killed and who is its killer? Therefore, relinquishing your fear, with yourself devoted to me, conduct this war righteously. Thus saying, you brought him back to his senses, displaying to him your cosmic form. भक्तोत्तंसेऽथ भीष्मे तव धरणिभरक्षेपकृत्यैकसक्ते नित्यं नित्यं विभिन्दत्ययुतसमधिकं प्राप्तसादे च पार्थे निःशस्त्रत्वप्रतिज्ञां विजहदरिवरं धारयन् क्रोधशाली वाधावन् प्राञ्जलिन्तं नतशिरसमथो वीक्ष्य मोदादपागाः. As your exalted devotee Bhishma was completely focused on your task of reducing the burden of earth, every single day slaying more than 10,000 people in the war, and as Arjuna got tired resisting him, abandoning your vow to not take up arms, wielding your chakra with utmost rage, you rushed towards him, and as he at once bowed down with the Anjali Mudra, you were then pacified. Yuddhe dronasya hasti sthiraranabhagadatteritam vaishnavastram vakshasya dhatta chakra sthagita ravimaha प्रार्दयत् सिन्धुराजं नागास्त्रे कर्णमुक्ते क्षितिमवनमयन् केवलं कृत्तमौलिं तत्रेत्रापि पार्थं किमिव न हि भवान् पाण्डवानामकार्षीत्. In the fight with Drona, seated firmly on an elephant, as Bhagadatta employed the Vaishnava Astra, you absorbed it into your chest. You hid the rays of the sun with your chakra, causing Jayadratha's death. When Karna let out the Nagastra, you sunk your chariot into the ground, letting it just cut out the crown of Arjuna. In all these situations you saved Arjuna. What all did you not do for the sake of Pandavas? Yuddhadau tirthagami sakhalu haladharo नैमिषक्षेत्रमृच्छन् अप्रत्युत्थायिसूत क्षयकृदथ सुतं तत्पदे कल्पयित्वा यज्ञघ्नं वल्कलं पर्वणि परिदलयन् स्नाततीर्थो रणान्ते सम्प्राप्तो भीमदुर्योधनरणमशमम् वीक्ष्य यातः पुरीन्ते. At the start of the battle, Balarama, going to the Naimisharanya for pilgrimage, killing Suta who dishonored him by not getting up and installing his son in his place, slaying the Asura Valkala who was destroying the yajnas on full moon and new moon days, finishing his pilgrimage, and at the end of the battle arriving there and seeing the fierce battle between Bhima and Duryodhana, went back to your city. Sansupta Draupadeya Kshapanahata Dhiyam Draunimetyatvaduktya Tanmuktam Brahmamastram Samahrita Vijayo Mauliratnancha Jahre उच्छित्यै पाण्डवानां पुनरपि च विशत्युत्तरागर्भमस्त्रे रक्षन्नङ्गुष्ठमात्र किल जठरमगाश्चक्रपाणिर्विभो त्वम्. Upon your words, going to the son of Drona, Ashwathama, who intended to kill the sons of Draupadi as they were asleep, retracting the Brahmastra employed by him, Arjuna took off his crest jewel. To root out the lineage of Pandavas, once again as he employed the Astra on Uttara's womb, with a form of the size of a thumb, didn't you enter her womb with your Sudarshana Chakra, O Vibhu? Dharmaughan dharmasuno rabhidadhadakhilam छन्दमृत्युस्स भीष्मः त्वां पश्यन् भक्तिभूम्नैव हि सपदि ययौ निष्कलब्रह्मभूयम् संयाज्याथाश्वमेधैस्त्रिभिरतिमहितैर्धर्मजं पूर्णकामम् सम्प्राप्तो द्वारकान्त्वम् पवनपुरपते पाहि मां सर्वरोगात्. That Bhishma, who is of willful mortality, teaching the entire subject of dharma to Dharmaraja, gazing upon you with intense devotion, dissolved into the emptiness of creation, making Yudhishthira perform 3 great Ashwamedhas, fulfilling his desires, you returned to Dwaraka, O Lord of the city of wind. Protect me from all diseases.